Hi guys, it's Dayo here again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your image like this into a minimalist art like this. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to import your image from your gallery. So the first thing you're going to be tabbing is from image, tap from image, then tab on gallery. Then it's going to refer you to your gallery. Then you select the image you want to transform, or um, you want to trace, or you want to create the art with. After you've selected, it's going to show you options like this. Just tap on create. So it's going to import the image to your drawing software or drawing app. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to add a new layer. Then you select a black color for your sketch, but before then you have to reduce opacity of the image layer. When you reduce opacity to whatever opacity you prefer, then you go back to the layer at the top. Then you select your pen. For this tutorial I'm going to be using a tapered pen, a tapered inker. So the tapered inker is my favorite. I like using this particular pen to draw. So the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be changing the color for the sketch. We are going with black color, so we are going to be tracing upon this image. So first off I'm going to be tracing the side of the face. I like starting with the head, so I'm tracing upon the head. You can start with the clothes or whatever part of the body you prefer, but I'm starting with the head. So I'm going to be tracing. There's a video I made of recent on how to trace images easily. I did 2 methods on how to trace image easily. Do well to go check my previous video. It is going to help you a lot, and it's going to help you get a very nice sketch. So you're just practically going to be tracing this image, but you're not going to be tracing the eyes, the nose and the mouth, because we are going to be doing a minimalist art. So a minimalist art or minimalist painting does not require you to sketch the whole reference. So you just need to have the shape of the head, the shape of the eye, and the shape of the hair, the shape of the clothes, and that's all. You don't need to sketch the eyes, you don't need to sketch the nose, you don't need to sketch the mouth, you don't need none of that. All you need is just to sketch the shape, the shape of the hair, the shape of the hair, and the shape of the clothes, and everything that pertains the person clothing. But aside from that, you don't need to draw the eyes, you don't need to draw the mouth, you don't need to draw the nose. So just do practically what I'm just follow along with what I'm doing presently. So this is one of the easiest art you can actually do. So we are done with the sketch. The next thing is we are going to be filling up the color, but before then we are going to be drawing the eyebrow, because most minimalist painting or minimalist art of portraits I see do include eyebrow. So let's include an eyebrow in our painting before we proceed with filling up the colors. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be filling up the colors, the base colors. So there are two ways you can be able to get the skin colors for your reference. The first method is you're going to be importing the palettes, color palettes from the reference. So Infinite Painter, Procreate, and Autodesk Sketchbook can allow you import your palette from your image. It helps you extract your palette from your image. For example, if you just tap on that gallery and you import, it's going to automatically extract all the um, color palettes from your image. The second method you can use to get your color palette is by using your reference, just by picking up the colors from your reference directly. So you just tab on the color section. After tabbing on the color section, then you tab on the color picker. The color picker helps you pick the color directly from your reference. So after you've created a new layer, just tap on the option at the top and tap on the fill tool. The fill tool allows you to fill up the reference. So but before then you have to tap on the layer icon before it can help you. It can identify the area you want to fill up. So make sure you tap on the layer so that it will help analyze the section in which you want to fill. So the next thing we're going to be doing is shading or adding shadows so as to give the art some form. So at least, so we don't want our art to look flat. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a new layer for the shadows. So what you're going to be doing is we are going to be you're going to be picking the darkest color on all the parts of this photo. Like for instance, for the clothes, you are going to be picking the darkest color. You're also going to be picking the darkest color for the hair. You're also going to be picking the darkest color for the face, for the shorts or the trousers. So yes, and what you're going to be doing is you're still going to be applying those darker colors or darkest colors on the photo. Just make sure you are applying it where it is also found on the photo. So you can just watch exactly what I'm doing. So as you can see, I'm increasing size, then reducing opacity, because I don't want the shadows to be too thick. So I'm reducing opacity to probably 44. You can reduce opacity to whatever size you want. For me, I'm using 44. And again, since I've reduced opacity, I tend to avoid um, coloring double on each other, like coloring twice on each other, so that it will not mess up my shading. So I'm just going to go I'm just going to apply upon the reference, just using the reference as a guide to apply the shadows where they are located. So to make sure you can locate the shadows, just apply them roughly. And yeah, it mustn't really be perfect. It mustn't really be perfect. Just apply them where necessary. That's all. And again, if you feel like you want to do some blending, or you want to push the colors together, you want to mix the colors, just in case there is a thick and thin color and lighter color, you can mix. If you want to mix them together, you can tap on the blending brush for you to mix them. So yes, you can use the blending brush to mix the colors. And yeah, that's how it is done. Just make sure you go and apply the darker shadows where they are located. I've done several videos regarding to shading, regarding to where you can apply your shadows, how you can locate your shadows, how to do all these things. So yeah, you can go through my videos and watch and see how to locate your shadows and how to locate your highlights. We are not going to be using highlights on this particular video. We are just going to be applying shadows alone. So yeah. So for those of you that don't like seeing the sketch or the line art on the painting after you're done, if you want to delete, you can go ahead to delete, but I won't advise you to delete. The only safer thing you can do is just to click on the lock, alpha lock, then you select the individual color that you used. For instance, if you are going to be blending the line art for the hair, select the color for the hair, then you apply the color on the sketch. It's going to like blend everything all together. I don't know if you understand, but yeah, just pick the color for the hair, then apply the color to the sketch. The one thing with alpha lock is it allows you to alter the color while the layer is locked, so you can actually apply the color of your clothes as well on the sketch for as so as to make the whole painting with the sketch blend together. So I don't know if this makes sense, but yeah, that's all I'm doing presently. So we are done with the painting. If you have any question, do well to drop in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, also signify in the comment section. I'm going to welcome to this family. And if you have any tutorial requests, do well to drop it in the comment section. And yeah, if you want to connect with me personally, I have my social media page platforms. The links to my social media platforms are in the description section and are in my channel profile. Do feel free to go chat me up. Yeah, I use the same name on all my social media platforms. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.